Be a quick video about this product, a review. Let's see, come on. Zoom in, will you? Shit. It's called TransMedic. And it says here, stops transmission troubles. So, first of all, if you've got a broken gear in your transmission, there's no way in hell any liquid product will fix it, right? Either you repair that gear, you repair that mechanical problem, or you get a new transmission. No amount of liquid will miraculously fix those gears. So if that's sort of what you're thinking, just forget about it. But this product actually worked really well and really fast. We actually used this on an older Mercedes 300D 1984 Mercedes. We used this on the automatic transmission. I used it on the automatic transmission. And when I first drove the car, this transmission would shift very roughly. You could feel it inside the car, and it would sort of kick. And as soon as, I think immediately after I put this, it shifted, and you couldn't even feel it. So I told the other guy, he was like, before he first started driving the car, he said, it's an older car. And I said, no, it's not meant to be like this. And he put this, and he says, wow, it drives just like a modern car, and that's sort of an insult to me. But so once again, I think this is more for automatic transmissions, and my reasoning is that automatic transmissions, they've got lots of seals, rubber seals, and if they've got friction pressure plates, and they've got solenoids and moving parts like cylinders and pistons sort of thing. And if that's all not working nicely, then the transmission won't shift smoothly. So my thinking is that this product will expand the rubber on the seals, making them seal properly again. It'll also eliminate friction from all those moving parts. I don't think it will make much of a difference in a manual transmission. Because it's just gears. A manual transmission is literally just gears. As long as you got oil. It could be engine oil, it could be grease, it could be gear oil. The manual literally says you can use, it recommends engine oil in my car, so for the manual transmission. So I don't think it will really make that much of a difference, except for maybe lower the friction. But it makes a hell of a difference in an automatic transmission. Right away, like it was a night and day difference. As soon as we put this product in, TransMedic here, it says here, solder seal gunk. As soon as we put this TransMedic product in, it started shifting. You couldn't even tell it was shifting, and that happened like right away. I was pretty impressed. I don't really believe in these things, these miracle products, but this here was really good. I have to admit it. So it says here, unites chemically with the metal surfaces of automatic transmission gears. There you go. I hadn't read it, but as expected. You see, it's called a logic. Transmission gears, bearings, and valves to prevent costly repairs. It provides positive stream pressure lubrication. So it says here, directions. 1 container to automatic transmission. Smoother, quieter, and more responsive shifting will be apparent within 160 kilometers of regular driving. So it's, give it 160 kilometers, that's what it says here. Extremely troublesome cases may require an additional container. If malfunction persists, mechanical repair is indicated. Mixed perfectly with all automatic transmission fluids, will not harm fluids or transmissions, non-corrosive, non-clogging, non-foaming, effective in all automatic transmissions. So yeah, this is only helpful for an automatic transmission. But like I said, it's if you think your transmission, this is a good way to also determine if your transmission is broken or if it just needs a little bit of maintenance. If you put this in and it works just fine, that means that probably means it's just needed a little bit of maintenance. Maybe change out the oil or something like that. If it doesn't work, that means you've got broken metal parts, and then that's a bit more serious. So yeah, I hope that helps. That's my review on that product.